엄마 왜 영어로 해? 엄마는 나 싫어.
We woke up kind of late, so this will be kind of like our lunch. I think we're gonna order some kimbap from the kimbap store right next door, and then I'm gonna also make kimchi bokkeumbap. Okay. I'm gonna also make kimchi bokkeumbap right now. But can you open this? Their tteokbokki is pretty good here. This was $3. Kimbap tastes the best when you have 참기름 on it. We also have meat left from last night, and this is so good. It's 돼지갈비, and it's so good that we're gonna do a cooking tutorial today for you guys. So we're gonna eat this again. Cooled off rice, it can't be really hot. And then some cheese if you like cheese, soy sauce, sugar, red pepper, spam, green onions, sesame oil, and some kimchi. Cheese. Hey guys, so I just got ready. We're gonna go take some photos outside with the cherry blossoms. I'm just gonna go to some random street here where no one's there. Oh. There's like cherry blossoms everywhere, but Aiden found this one place that has more. Just gonna take one photo here and then go. This is where we took photo last year. Going back home. So we're on our way back home. We're gonna stop by the mart that's next to our house.
We usually skip it 그냥 honestly how
얘는 여자였는데 걔는 한테 나온 건 와! 전화! 나는 좋아! 나는 에반이라고 해.
I uploaded my first dance on TikTok. I'm trying to learn this other dance right now too. It's kind of hard. Watching this drama called 부부의 세계, The Life of the Married. I think that's what it's called in English. It's so good. I'm also gonna make fried mushroom. I like to eat my rice and meat with steamed cabbage as well. Some Coke and apples.
garlic? 다지는 거 뭐라 하지? minced? grind? Okay, add it to the sauce. 저기다 넣어서 sweet corn syrup 1 tablespoon sugar enough.
You just do that and then put that in there. Let it marinate for how long?
10 minutes. It was okay.
These are ready to be fried, the mushrooms. And I'm gonna steam this. I washed it.
같이 구울 건 아니고 그냥.
Yeah? No, wait a minute.
Let it sit out here for like 10 minutes. I like to eat ranch with the fried mushroom and then with the cabbage. I like to eat it with 쌈장. Okay, we are about to cook the meat now. 부추무침, my fried mushroom, cabbage. So for the 돼지갈비, it's important that you keep flipping it back and forth as it cooks so that one side doesn't burn. It's pork, you have to cook it fully, right?
먹어? 그럼 안 먹어.
오늘 먹어, 연우 먹어. Ready?
할 거? 아니?
고기 버려.
I don't know why, but I'm so tired today. I wanted to show you guys this. It's the new Hera Cell Serum. I'm gonna try it with my Hera Cell Essence. It's been so long since I curled my hair. Hair looks so full. I should do this more often. But nowhere to go anyways. Aiden is photoshopping the photos, the cherry blossom photos from earlier today. I think I'm gonna read a book with Yonu. Needs to read. Got a love package from a brand called Code. What should I try? I'm gonna try this one. Oh, so many blushes. Pretty. Smells good. But it has like a tingling effect. Doesn't normally have this? 함유되어 있어 입술에 일시적으로 시원한 느낌을 줍니다. Rosy Fig. It looks like, what was it? It reminds me of these Shuamura blushes.
빛이 그렇게 나왔어?
Photos from today.
나 너 그거 보고 싶어.
선우의 스페이스십이야?
어제는 멋진 시간을 보내지 못했어요.
버질이 말했어요.
넌 내 친구야.
아, 흰곰이 아니고 넌 내 친구야. 할머니! 집에서 왜 마스크 끼고 있어요? Should put the kids to sleep now. Bye guys!